The show starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, welcome back to your channel, American Rodder. My name is Solon, and tonight's video I've got for you 10 amazing barn finds. These are classic cars that are for sale on the internet, and they're all different prices. There's one to fit just about everybody's budget. Barn finds, you know, probably mostly needs restoring, so don't expect to find any buy and drive like we have in our other videos. I think you're going to like this video, but first let's go ahead, if you will, and hit that like and subscribe, and then share this video. But be sure to turn on that notification bell so you'll get a notification on our next upcoming video. This one's going to be fun. It's rare and unusual cars for sale, and I found you 10 on the net that will blow your mind. Remember also that all the cars that are in tonight's video can be found with links in the video's description. Go to the video, click on the title, then when you see the description pop up, click on the word more and scroll down, and you'll find the links to these cars that are for sale tonight. Okay, the commentary question for tonight's a fun one. It says, in your opinion, and of course an opinion's like a nose, everybody's got one, it's neither good nor bad, but in your opinion, what is the most ugliest car that's ever been manufactured? Is it the Edsel? Is it the Pacer? Actually, I like Edsel, especially the 1958 model. But this is just for fun, so drop a comment in the link what you think is the most ugliest car ever manufactured, and we'll see what everybody says. Okay, Hot Rod Haley is actually on vacation now down in Panama City Beach, Florida for the summer. So maybe when she gets back, we'll try to get her talked into doing some narrations. But for tonight, you got me.
Loser! You're a loser!
So let's start with number 1. Okay, this first one up is a 1958 Mercedes-Benz listed for $3,900 a week ago in Canton, Ohio. There's not a lot of information on barn finds. For some reason, people don't put a lot of information, but I'm going to give you what I got. This car's been driven over 50,000 miles, has automatic transmission. The exterior color is silver and the interior color is red. It is a one owner. The seller's description is as follows: 1958 Mercedes-Benz barn find, in storage since 1969, complete vehicle, needs total restoration. Engine is out of the car, but it is available to be inspected. Wheels turn, leather seats are amazing, dash is very nice too, does have some rust, sold on a bill of sale only, no title. So there's that one, guys. Not priced too terribly high, cheap enough you could afford to put some money into it to restore it. If you're into Mercedes, check this one out. Go to the link in the description and find out from the seller what he'd be willing to take, maybe even less. Number 2. This is a rare 1942 Buick Convertible listed for $20,000 in Memphis, Tennessee. The seller's description is as follows: I have a true barn find, very rare 1942 Buick Convertible for sale. Very straight and very little rust. This car is located in Arkansas. The car will be sold with a bill of sale, no title. $20,000 firm. I have included a picture of a blue car of a 1942 Buick Convertible so you can see what it would look like once it was restored. Number 3. 1973 MGB listed a week ago in Eastman, Georgia for only $2,000. Seller's description is as follows: the car is in used fair condition. It's a 1973 MGB. Car has been sitting for at least 20 years. Hasn't been registered since 1980s. Has only 10,000 miles on the body. Needs a little love, but is a complete car. Hood is damaged, but other than that, it's in great shape to be 50 years old. The seller is selling it for his grandmother, and he considers it a true restorable barn find. Okay, this one's not too terribly high priced neither, a couple $1,000s. Still leaves plenty of meat on the bone for further restoration to make you a great little 1973 MGB runaround. Number 4. Now here's one you don't see come up for sale very often, a 1929 American LaFrance pumper Firetruck, listed 20 weeks ago in Florence, Alabama for only $7,000. There's not a lot of information on this one other than that the exterior color is red, the interior color is brown. It's had 2 previous owners and it's been in the barn for 25 years. The seller says that he stripped it to be restored but never got around to it, and the parts are in the boxes. Now guys, something like this would make a great custom hot rod or street rod. You just got to use your imagination, but check this one out as well. Number 5. This is a 1928 Mercedes kit car on a 1970 Volkswagen chassis, listed for $5,200 7 weeks ago in Fairmont, West Virginia. Now this vehicle has been driven 3,200 miles since it was built, has automatic transmission. The exterior color is off-white, the interior color is brown. Seller's description is as follows: 1928 Mercedes Gazelle kit car on a 1970 Volkswagen chassis. Clean title in hand. This is a great piece of history. This car has been garage kept for years. It has the dust for proof. This is a true barn find. We installed a new carburetor and modern ignition, so it runs great. Has automatic transmission, which is truly desirable. This Mercedes kit car is ready to roll with basically no tune-up needed. New tires and rims. Electrical system works perfect. These cars are only becoming more and more desirable over time. Don't miss your chance to own this great piece of history. You can feel free to make your offers. I always entertain trades of equal value. Okay guys, so he's dropped the price down. I think originally he had listed it for more, but he's dropped it down to $5,200. And of course, you know, they don't make these kit cars anymore, so this would probably be a head turner if it's seen you driving it down the street. Number 6. A 1967 Cadillac DeVille, listed 5 days ago in Ruma, Illinois for $3,000. Now the mileage on this car is unlisted. It says the exterior color is blue, the interior color is blue, and has an automatic transmission. The seller's description is as follows: 1967 Cadillac Coupe, barn find, been sitting in garage for over 20 years, will need to be towed, does have a clean title, will take $3,000 or best offer, would be a great one to restore or to use as a donor car. So there you have it guys, $3,000 not too bad. 1967 Cadillac DeVille, and that is a very collectible year for those particular Cadillacs. Number 7. 1970 AMC AMX, listed for $6,600 3 weeks ago in Shiloh, Ohio. Now this car does not list the mileage, but it does list that it has automatic transmission and the exterior color is burgundy. Seller's description is as follows: 1970 AMC AMX Coupe. The seller lists it as a 2-seater. It has a 4-speed, has a Borg Warner gauges, has tinted glass, black leather interior. He has all the parts to put it together and is looking for serious inquirers only for this very rare car. Go ahead and contact him and he can give you further details. So there you go guys, some of you have been looking for AMC AMX, and here's your chance to own a rare one. Number 8. This is a rare 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 RS, listed in Elizabethton, Tennessee for $40,000. Now this car has 62,927 original miles, has a manual transmission, color is red, and the interior color is black. Does have a clean title. The seller's description is as follows: this is a true barn find. This is a 1968 Camaro Z28 RS. Generation 1 with all matching numbers. The motor has been removed and some machine work has been done on the block and the crankshaft. Car is very solid and in its original 1968 paint job. Interior is in good shape, but still has a lot of barn dust in it. If you know anything about Generation 1 Camaros, you know that this one is rare. According to the Camaro Forum website, total production was at 7,199 units. So there you got it, guys. This is a very rare car. Now I looked at some of the pricing before I did the ad, and you can give me your opinion and comments on it, but it looked like they ran anywhere from $20,000 to $60,000 in original or either close to original condition. Of course, that is for an all numbers matching car as well. But so it looks like $40,000 is a pretty decent asking price. But however, you might can talk to him and maybe get this one down, since this is a super rare car. And this one gets my Editor's Choice Award for the night. Number 9. This is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air listed for $20,000 in Mount Hermon, Kentucky. Now, the seller lists this as having 96,000 original miles. Says it has a manual transmission, the exterior color is red, and the interior color is black. And he lists it as being in fair condition. His description is as follows: barn find, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Has a 283 motor with a 4-speed. Does need to be restored. The glass is all good. The body is pretty solid. There's some areas that does need some work, but other than that, an overall great car to be a project. For sale or trade, $20,000 or best offer. Okay guys, that's all the information that he lists, but you can look at the pictures. Doesn't look too bad. It's going to have a lot of work to it, but I think it being a Bel Air 2-door hardtop, it wouldn't be too bad of a deal. If you could probably get him to come down on the price some, just contact him and see. Number 10. This last one is a really nice 1966 Plymouth VIP Fury in Chapel Hills, North Carolina for $11,500. Now the mileage is unlisted, but it does list that it has automatic transmission. The exterior color is red and the interior color is black. The ad says that it's in excellent condition, and this is the second owner that is selling it. And it does have a clean title. Seller's description is as follows: 1966 Plymouth Fury Red VIP. This is a family liquidation item. The car is located in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. It's painted red in color. It has a new interior done to the original specs. It cost the family $2,500. Has a 383 Commando engine that is running. Has no rust at all. Been in the barn for 16 years. It's the rare 2-door hardtop. Has a clean title. And they do have the instrument cluster in the car's passenger floorboard. Entertaining offers, but asking for $11,500 or best offer. This one gets my best deal seal. Okay everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Next video is going to be really good. I got a lot of wild and crazy and unusual and rare cars coming up in it. I'll see you then. God bless everyone.